My name's Andrew King and I work for CDM as an enterprise software administrator. We're an engineering firm and we have a lot of technical software. Our company does an annual survey on all sorts of things. It's a third-party company, comes in, audits us. And one of the things that was coming back on our company survey was the employees that we have hated our software request and delivery process. It was very cumbersome. So along comes shopping for us, and it says, hey, it's a web front end for you, where, well, we like to think of it as the Amazon.com of get your software. I think we had the shopping product itself up and running in 3 days. And it took us 18 months minus 3 days to figure out our own internal approval process. So that was where the complexity was for us. And then once we got that running, it was awesome. We love shopping now. It's a really simple product. I use it daily now, and I can install it again somewhere else in a few hours. I mean, it's a very simple product. Consumers love it. Everybody knows how to go to Amazon.com, to iTunes, anything you want. This is that for your corporate infrastructure to request software. And we'll likely start using it to deliver hardware and to deliver non-software applications because the approval workflows in shopping are great. The One E product has been rock solid for us. I think I've called support 4 or 5 times total, and that's only shortly after our implementation. Once we've had it running within a week of having the product in our environment, I've never called support. We haven't had any problems with it. It just works great. One E support's been great. One E consulting has been great. So all of our interactions with One E have been fantastic. I'd be curious how other people are using shopping. I think we're only using part of it. I mean, I think there's a lot more that it can do that we're not really even using. And it's so great as it is, I'd love to use more of it. The cost compared to the benefit of the product, it's a no-brainer. To have SMS, to have SCCM without the shopping product is just a bad choice because it is so useful. It's so easy to deploy, and the users just love it, and they love it.